This is Matt, and I am doing today a prop review on Liselle made props, which are pins, which are specially themed. We have the spider and bones that are glow scepters, and we have the ocean themed glow specters as well. Both the feather pin and the specters are all ballpoint pins. What makes them special is that they all write, in addition to this necklace, an ink that glows under black light, and that this necklace was part of it. And just for a quick, so you have that there, and you have this pin has also as well a black light in it, and I think even this pin does somewhere have a black light, maybe. Or maybe they just want you to use the necklace. Not sure. All of it is well put together. The quality is very solid. Like, you're not going to break any of it. The pen has the feather out of the way enough on all the pens that you wouldn't be in the way of the feather and risk crumpling it. The wrap pen is also a twist pen, so that's a little bit more on the functional side, a little bit more comfortable to write with, and it's ocean themed. Again, it does have the top crystal that lights up, and like I said, you have the necklace as well that is themed with the bones and the spider, so it's all part of a darker themed set. She makes a lot of good props. Again, name is Liselle Made, and her thing is called the Owl Post. All of her stuff, I feel like they're very good props. They really get you in a mood for that kind of thing, which is why we are currently in a little bit of a lower light setting to help us get in the mood. Now, in order to truly write with this and be able to do it well, one has to have a desk lamp with a black light. And I will hold up my review so you, hopefully it lights up for you well in the camera so you could see how writing with it comes out. I'm going to go with that you can see this. I'm using a fairly strong black light. Give me just a second. Big one. Yep, there we go. So now it should really be shining out to you on the camera. Even though there's a lot less light, it should be really bright. So as you can see, it writes like the average ballpoint. Comes out really good. I'm not going to do a smudge test. I did put this on my rodeo, but I will read you the stats from this. So this is, the feather is weighing in at 9.5 grams. And I would say all these have a really big pop factor. The bigger scepters are weighing in at 12.5, and they have a lot more on them, and so they do weigh just a little bit more, but it's all right around the same as that feather and Inkwell. But like I said, this gives you a really good glow. Reusability, up for question. It's hard to get to the ink cartridge, so it'll be kind of, once it's out, it's out. And it took us a long time to get these in, but they are really cool. I will say, of course, the bigger drawback is the fact that it's on a ballpoint. So, you know us here, we like our fountain pens for a reason, but cool factor, you want to get into a theme, you want to do some role playing, these props really do the trick. They get you in a good mood, they set the tone, and I really do feel like this is something that if you enjoy that kind of environment, you enjoy that kind of acting, then this set will be good. I recommend Liselle Made. Plan on it taking several months for it to come in. That's how long it took us. I do believe she is in Nepal, I believe. No? Denmark. So still a long ways away, in the right direction, but still, yeah, Denmark. So a long ways away. So it is all handmade stuff. She has a few people that do different types of things for her. A lot of it is soldering metal bits together, and she's putting in pens and crystal lights and stuff. And it may overbleed it. I'm not sure what will happen if you put two on it, but let me see if I can find the button here in the dark. Yep, so normally you would be able to see only little bits and pieces as the light glows over it, but here in this immersive black light that I bought, just a basic desk lamp, I didn't use any shade so that the paper would be completely saturated and I could see it in the daylight. And then I got a full brightness, full size light so that I had the most effect. If you're going to be writing in blacklight, that's the way to go. Either that or get an LED strip around your desk. Both are pretty cool. I just went with the cheapest and easiest option to do. And that is it.